Hey guys, happy Saturday. It's August 28th, 2021, 1 p.m. right now, Saturday morning or afternoon. Get your pen and pencil or your pen and your notebook. And today, because today we're gonna be talking about a stock that a lot of people are really interested. It's Peloton. I hope you guys are looking at it right now. And it's a really popular stock on Twitter, on Wall Street Bets, everywhere, right? Stock tweets, everything. The thing is that it got excited around I think earlier of this year. It started last year November after it made its huge move, right? And then it consolidated and it got really popular around this area. And I think when it caught popularity, it was when the stock already moved this high, and Wall Street back kind of like caught attention when the stock was up here, and then a lot of people became a back holder after they bought on these wicks up here, right? And then the stock has went in this long consolidation, gets below the 50-day moving average, undercut this low right from here, and then just, try to make a move higher very slowly, and then in the end fails pretty fast. Like I said, when a stock fails, it fails fast. So that would be a good reason why I want to take this trade because of this is how I trade. If a stock works, I want it to work. If it fails, I want it to fail immediately, right? I don't like to waste my opportunity cost, basically my money in this stock for no reason. And I think the stock is finally ready. Number one, on the August 12th, right? I think they had earnings. I don't know what happened. I think it was earnings, but the stock gapped up, made a big move, bounced to it tested the 50-day moving average and the 200-day as the 200-day started showing up because the stock is starting, it's got 200 more days of data right now on the daily chart. Each bar here is a day, right? We had the bounce at the 50-day moving average, and then the 50-day has been acting like magic. Basically, now we can confirm that the 50-day has been acting like support. Buyers like to show up at the 50-day, and the stock went up a huge volume, and the price is holding above where it used to be, right? So you can kind of call this like you can call this like a cup and handle, right? I don't like to use patterns, but there it is, right? But the thing is, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that the stock was able to find buyers at the 50-day and we consolidated there. And then stock got tighter in the last 3 days, right? And the on Thursdays, the Thursday's low was higher than Wednesday's low, which means that the buyers is starting to gain control, and the sellers are getting wear out, right? So the stock trades plenty of volume, 48 million, I think. That's a lot, and earnings is not anytime soon. And I think they are ready to make a leg higher. Now, how do I want to after like how long is this? Half a year of consolidation and pullbacks. And let's go down to the 50-minute, 30-minute chart. We can see that earlier this week, I mean, since the gap, the stock's been acting really choppy, right? But then it started to become more constructive towards the end. It made a high right here, and it had a big pull down. I think that's a shakeout, right? Stock came back, tested that high, made a higher low basically relative to this one, at higher low. And then we opened higher on Friday, and then the stock pulled back like really nicely, right? If we put a view up there, most likely we kind of pull below the view up a little bit, which is a concern. But I think that's fine. And I think it will be a good buy above the Friday's high right here, right? At 29.09. Now, where do you want to put your stop? That's really up to you, right? You have to have a stop, by the way. I hope that, we're almost at 3,000 subscribers. Every single video, I emphasize on, you put your stop right here, put your stop right there. It's time for you to decide. You can put your stop at the 5-day moving average, low of the day. Depends on what you think is, the risk. And I'm not gonna make any suggestions because I think you guys should learn to do that. So that's my thinking on this trade, PLTR. I think it's ready to go. The only concern is how popular it is. But the thing is that the meme stocks they're like going basically. We got AMC, GameStop, and then what else we got? I don't know like any of the memes. I don't follow them. So I just kind of see them. And GameStop, I'll be honest with you guys, it doesn't look good. It has double inside days, and it's trading pretty tightly. Maybe a buy above right here. I'm not gonna make suggestions because I'm not gonna be buying this one, right? Now, why am I not buying it? I don't want to check GameStop, you know. I just don't want to. I think there's a lot of trap. Like for my, I think that if we get above this high right here, the stock is gonna go all the way down and shake everybody out. That's how I see it, right? That's totally from experience because it happens so many times. I prefer this thing to do this first on Monday, where we undercut this low, and then perhaps start consolidating again, and then gets going, and then buy on Friday on Tuesday. But as of right now, I don't think GameStop is a good buy. This is too obvious. You know, you know what they love to do, the market maker. They like to screw you up, and even Peloton. Who knows? I don't think the market makers got like shaking everybody out. It requires a lot of risk. I don't think this thing can shake anybody. Like, where do you think the obvious stop might be? Right there, maybe here. I don't think so. I think the obvious stop people put will be maybe down here or down here. So I don't think the stock can afford to pull all the way back like this and then comes back up. Perhaps it does it, but I don't think so. That's why I think a buy above Friday's high is good. And yeah, that's how I see it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm back. Okay, I'll be updating on Twitter again. And see you guys next time. And by the way, follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/fortecharts. Appreciate it. We're almost at I have 300 of you guys following me. That's crazy. And I guess the YouTube is at 3,000 subscribers. We're still not partnered yet. Getting honestly at this point, getting partner or not, I kind of don't care anymore, because I don't plan on monetizing my channel anyways, right? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.